To my channel. I wanted to update you on a few things. I know I've been kind of MIA for a while. Had a few life changes happen, and so as a result of that, I have decided to change my channel's name. So instead of Urban Rhino Tutorials, our brand is now called LivandVivDesignCo. In short, it'll be L&V Designs. On this particular channel, we'll be calling it L&V Tutorials. So from now on, you'll be seeing the logo for that, just like at the intro of this video. A few other things that we're going to be doing are a lot more giveaways. I intend on doing a different theme for each giveaway. So for instance, you know, the ever popular Taylor Swift. So you might receive, as part of a giveaway package, some completed Taylor Swift jewelry. It could be outfits that would be great to wear to the Eras Tour concert if you're going to that, if you're fortunate enough for that. It could be jewelry making supplies specifically themed towards Taylor Swift. Another thing is we'll move into other specific themes such as sports. So if you're local to my business, so if you live here in Columbus, Indiana, we might do some Columbus North, Columbus East themed stuff. We might do some Colts or Hoosiers, Purdue, you know, all of that, themed giveaways, as well as I'm very big on giving back to the community and really recognizing individuals who make a difference in people's lives. I run our school corporation's food pantry, and I'm a very big advocate for helping others and just kind of spreading kindness. So I want to encourage that and reward people who do the same. So for that, I will be giving away some different packages and things for teachers, for veterans, for students who are just very deserving, depending on, you know, what the criteria is. So just stay tuned for that. For now, just watch. I have several new tutorials coming out over the next few weeks. So all summer long, probably each week, there'll be a new tutorial that I have. You can see my new setup here. This is actually my classroom. Some new jewelry pieces behind me. As well as, you know, the Taylor Swift one over here. So this is like a bedazzled portrait my students will be doing as a new project. So I'm really excited about all of the changes. I also am working towards either opening an in-person or online boutique. So that'll be the L&V Design Boutique. And honestly, I haven't quite made the decision of whether that will be in person or online. So in the future, I'll make an announcement for that. So for now, I'm ready to do my first giveaway. So if you would just comment below on a theme that you would really be interested in receiving, I guess, as a package. So that could be, again, jewelry making supplies, finished jewelry, clothing, accessories, handbags, all kinds of stuff like that. So just what would you like? You know, you're a big Pacers fan, or you're a teacher and you want a whole big, you know, package of stuff that revolves around being a teacher. Whatever it is, any theme, comment below. I want to use those as ideas for the upcoming giveaways in the future weeks. And from this video, I'll pick some of those, and hopefully one of yours will be one that's picked that we can do as a giveaway. So please share this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Lots of fun stuff coming up. And that's it for now. So we'll see you next time.